Hey everybody, Anthony here, SpecialtyMotorcars.net. Got a real nice gem to bring you this week. 2008 Cadillac DTS sedan. This beautiful modern day classic Cadillac is one of the last of the big full-size Cadillacs. When I say full-size, I'm obviously not talking about your big rear-wheel drive Bromes of the 90s. But the DTS kind of stretched out the big Cadillac feel all the way up till 2011 when it was discontinued. This 2008 model year has 65,000 miles. It's finished in gold mist with a light shale interior. It's a beautiful one-owner car out of Pennsylvania. Pretty well equipped as well. It's got the front and rear parking assist, chrome wheels, heated and cooled front seats, heated rear seats, heated steering wheel. It's got the navigation, in-dash navigation. It's also got heated washer fluid option, which is actually kind of neat that this car still has it. Fun fact about that option, when Cadillac, brought these cars out, they put that feature in these cars. They actually recalled that system, and back in the day, they would take the system out of the car for fear of under hood fire. They'd take the system out of the car and rebate the customer $100 in taking that. This car still has that system in it. Entirely up to you. If you want to leave it in the car, it does work. But somehow this car slipped through the cracks of getting that system removed. But otherwise, the car is pretty well equipped. Like I said, chrome wheels, all the trimmings inside. I did just have the car fully serviced. Put 4 brand new white wall tires on the car. Also all new brakes and rotors, front and rear. So the car is pretty much a turnkey piece. All the glass is in fine shape. The paint shows very well. Even the emblems are all nice and clean and crisp, not faded. This car was garaged. Same with the headlights. You can see here how clean they are. It's got a beautiful burgundy pinstripe down the side. The only real defect with the body, 2 things. One, you can see a small impression in the fender there, and I'll show you on the other side another mark. But you can see the chrome wheels here. You can see inside, brand new pads and rotors, brand new white wall tires. You can see it's got a little bit of exterior bling to it. All the lower chrome on the bottom here, you can see. Also got the pillar trim package. So whoever bought this car definitely knew how to dress it up. Put a little bit of chrome, put a little bit of stripe on it, give it a nice little look. You can see the paint really glistens as the sun. No sunroof in this car, which for most people who buy these is a good thing. You can see the car is pretty straight. It's a pretty good looking piece. I do love my older Cadillacs, but as far as modern Cadillac, this is probably one of the only ones that drive. You can see how beautiful that emblem is. That's definitely a testament of how this car was garaged and cared for, because usually those all fade. You can see those exhaust pipes are nice and shiny. The color on this car is called gold mist. It's kind of got a nice effect to it. You can see in the rear, brand new pads and rotors. It's got the painted hats. That burgundy stripe really sets it off well too. All right, we'll take a look inside. I'll start it up and then take you for a ride down the street. I definitely want to remind you though, if this is one of your first videos of mine, I always say it, subscribe to my channel. Take a look and see what other cars I like to sell. And if you see something you like, definitely subscribe, like this video, and let me know what you think about this car. You can also check me out on my website, SpecialtyMotorcars.net. We'll take this piece of paper out of here, show you how clean the carpets are. Upholstery is in nice shape, beautiful leather interior. This car is a column shift car, so it's a 6-passenger. Kind of a unique setup. You can see here, you got your heated seats, your air-conditioned seats, memory functions. A little bit of wear around the grab handle for the pull. All your window switches, your power mirror. You have all the function controls for the readout on the display, headlights, power seat, lumbar, 4-way lumbar adjustment. You can see the dash pad is in nice shape. Take a look in the back here. Back seat also follows out with rear heated seats. You can see the switches here. You have back and then the back and bottom feature. Accessory ports in the back seat. Very clean back here as well. A couple minor stains in the carpet, but nothing crazy. Take a look around the passenger side here. Also very clean. We'll open this guy up. There's that accessory port again. You can see the headline is in nice shape. That right there is for the rear parking assist that lights up as you get closer to the object in reverse. Upholstery also very nice. Side airbags. It's got the rear vents for the rear climate control as well. Take a look inside here. You can see the seats in nice shape. This guy opens right up. We'll open that up. You got a coin holder in there. You got your flip out cup holder right there. Then in here is also storage. The front parking assist lights up right up in the center of the dash there as you get closer to the objects. You got your navigation, dual zone climate control. Take a look inside the glove box. We have all the books, extra plate screw just in case, and then your map DVD case and all that stuff. Heated and cooled front seat on this side as well. Power windows, locks, all that good stuff. I just wanted to show you that other blemish that was on this side. You can see here the bottom clip on this fender here is a little pushed out. But aside from those two blemishes, the car is in really nice shape on the outside. I'm going to bring it in the car. I'm going to start it up, pop the hood, pop the trunk, and we'll listen to this 32 valve Northstar light up. I do have a service tire monitor light that comes on. One of the monitors is faulty. That will be addressed. I already have an appointment at the tire shop to get that replaced. You can see here, trunk's in nice shape. We got all the spare tire, jack and stuff like that is hiding out under here. It looks like that tire has never touched the ground. Rear trunk carpet, cargo net, I should say. Gonna bring you around here. Northstar V8, very powerful engine, front wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 4.6 liter. You can see here, this is the guy that's for the heated windshield washer fluid. Anybody who has a DTS who had that feature, you probably have that piece missing. That was kind of the whole mechanism to it. Cadillac would remove that, and like I say, discount you about $100 on the removal of that. All right, folks, I'm just going to pop my plate on it and we'll take it for a spin down the road. All right, we're back inside the 2008 DTS. You got all the navigation, everything up here. You can see the map. You can see the AM/FM. This also has a full map feature. You can get the map in the whole screen. We'll put this car in gear here. You can see here, like I mentioned before, I have a Tpms light that's coming on. That's from one of the sensors, has gone faulty. Just back to that heated windshield washer. That's this button here. You'd slide it over. It will activate the heated washer. We'll do it right now. You can see here, heating washer fluid white pending. I'm going to cancel it so it doesn't get my new clean windshields all dirty. But you got heated seats and stuff like that. All that stuff works. Heated steering wheel as well. Nice for those cold winter mornings. I'm going to take it down the road here. Just want to throw out there one more time, I don't want to pester you too much. SpecialtyMotorcars.net is my website. My name is Anthony. My phone number is 978-930-1004. And if this car interests you, or you see anything else that I have that does, I do welcome other subscribers to my channel. That would be great. And let me know what you think about this car. You can already feel the heated seat and heated steering wheel warming up. Feels nice all the way around, is nice and warm. You can see here as we get close to somebody, don't want to get too close, the lights light up on the center of the dash. That's to indicate that you're getting close to the object in front of you. The rear does it as well. But this car was a non-smoker's car as well. It's very clean inside. Like I said, it's a 2008 DTS, 65,000 miles. It's got some good options to it. Nav, the chrome wheels, heated front and rear seats. So if this is something you're interested in, give me a call, 978-930-1004. I am located in Pelham, New Hampshire, but don't let that stop you. I can set up shipping right to your front door. You just tell me where the car is going to go, and I can arrange it, and I can have the car brought right to your front door. You won't even have to track down a shipper. I can do it all for you. And take a look and see all the leaves starting to change up here in New England. Winter is coming. I'm not looking forward to that. It feels like summer just started and it's already over, but it's fall in New England. The leaves are starting to change. We'll have the leaf peepers up here soon chasing our leaves, but none of them want to come rake our leaves. I never understood that. Anyways, I appreciate everybody watching my video. Thanks for the support. Thanks for all the love on YouTube. And definitely check me out on Facebook and my website. Hope you all have a great week. We'll talk to you soon.